Yeah.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's January 4th. We got hit with a little snowstorm yesterday, so there is definitely waves out there. I just got done work, so I'm gonna head over to Bay Head. I've been checking the camera all day. The waves kind of look like they're firing. I know that water is starting to get cold, so I picked up some new gear in September to be prepared for this occasion. I got a vest hood. I never tried that before, but Pat Lesniak gave me the recommendation because I was so cold last year. I got some new booties, I got some new gloves, and I got a brand new 5'4" wetsuit. I am tired of being cold in the water. Wetsuits are pretty hard to find these days. Let's get after it. Woo! All right, just got to Bay Head. Gotta go check these waves. Got eyes from the front. He was texting. He's here taking photos. And it's pumping. Pat Lesniak is in the house. What's up, buddy? How you been, dude? Good. Boom. All right, dude. We're getting ready. It is freezing. John Anthony. Just. John Anthony just pulled up. Thank God I'm not going out there alone. Cause it's cold. I hope my new suit works out good.
Yo, tap that screen for me. Turn it off. Forgot to turn it off. It's not here. Hit it again. Go back to the video. Boom. We're on.
Let's do it. I don't even want to get in. I really don't. But we're gonna get after it. Dude, it's so cold. I don't even think the wax is sticking to the board. Choppy, but holy full send, dude.
Sickest waves I've ever seen you catch.
Did you see my left I took?
Yeah, that thing was massive, dude.
I got my bell wrong.
That's why I got out, dude.
That's the biggest left I ever took. Oh my gosh, these waves are pretty gnarly, man. No joke, it's freezing. I definitely got my bell rung on a few. I took off on some pretty gnarly ones though. I don't know what the move is. I might paddle back out. I might call it a day. I'm cold. Epic session. So what's the claim, bro?
Claim is 2.5 hours of driving for an hour and a half of surfing.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a winter wonderland out here. Olivia wants to do some sledding, but I do not own a sled. Here in South Jersey, we own surfboards. So we're gonna get after it. Woo! Surf's up, dude. January 6th, Bayhead, New Jersey. There has been waves literally all week. I hear the rumble. Let's see if it's closing out. Oh, all right. We got some clean ones out here. Definitely some makeable waves. Definitely some makeable barrels. Easy paddle out, looks cold, feels cold. It's on. Woo! Yeah, that guy's stoked. He just caught a proper barrel. I just yelled at him. I was like, yo, I got it. Let's get after it. There's definitely a wave out there. I'm stoking right now. Woo! That was a sick wave you took. I was the one I filmed it. You got it? I got it on my phone. No way. This week has been epic. I was stoked to meet up with John Anthony. He came OTB during the work week. If you guys don't already know, John lives in Pennsylvania. So for him to come surf during the week, that's a 3-hour drive at least. So big shout out to you, John. I admire your dedication and commitment to the sport of surfing. It's been epic. There's been waves all week. I've been checking the report. It looks like we got some more waves on the way. So I'm stoked about that. Olivia was stoked to get out there and sled or snow surf, whatever you want to call it. Snow surfing, that's pretty cool. So hopefully there's more waves this weekend. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Peace out.